Hello, good afternoon mga Kavista. So right now we're here sa Island Park located dito sa Cavite sa Dasmariñas. So ngayon nandito tayo sa one of the project ni Island Park. Actually, Island Park is a township ng Vista. So ngayon nandito tayo sa Bilis at the Island. So yung Bilis at Island, ito yung one of the subdivision dito kay Island Park. So tignan nyo kung gaano kaganda yung community, tahimik. So mapapansin nyo sobrang greenery, tsaka mahangin siya. And take note guys, Dasmariñas hindi binabaha. Okay, so mataas ang meter above sea level natin dito. So we're offering right now lot only. Okay, so kung gusto nyo ng lot only, PM nyo lang ako. So yun yung mga sample ng bahay dito. So mostly na bumili dito is lot only. So sarili nilang design yung mga yan, but sa color isa. And alam nyo ba kung yung maganda dito kay Bilis at the Island? Ito po, papakita ko sa inyo. Itong road na to, kung nakikita nyo, yung road na yan is going to Villar City. So take note of this. Bibili ka sa Villar City, imagine niyo kung magkano ang price doon. It's around 300 to 400,000 per square meter. So kung dito kayo bibili, around
20 to 35,000 per square meter.
And take note guys, meron tayong big discount para sa mga katulad yung cash buyer.
Tara, tour ko kayo sa drone shot ng Bilis at the Island. Dito sa video, I'll show you the road under construction going to Villar City. So the time travel would be 4 to 5 minutes na lang from 10 to 15 minutes currently going to Villar Avenue. Tapos 5 to 7 minutes nasa future UP Dasmariñas na rin kayo. So ganun ka-accessible yung ginagawa ngayon dito sa The Island Park going to major developments. Then ito naman yung mismong Bilis at the Island. Malawak tong subdivision na to actually. Pero dito lang yung mga available na units or lots only banda where I show it on the drone shot. Kaya ganyan lang siya kalapit sa Villar City talaga, yung mismong Bilis. Imagine living here like a province but very near to a future CBD like Villar City as a retirement home. Ang ganda sobra dito and worth it siya as investment since it's a lot only and at the same time less than 10 minutes away going to a major development. And take note of this, no? Itong road na ito is exclusive only for the Island Park na resident. Di ba ang ganda? Affordable lot pero minutes away sa future CBD. Meron kaming promo. So this is a ready for occupancy project pero sa down payment up to 36 months to pay. And then meron din kaming exclusive big discounts para sa mga katulad nyong cash buyer.
So that's all, a quick tour dito sa Bilis at the Island. So to know more, kung meron pa kayong mga tanong, gusto nyo pang malaman yung computation, other details, gusto nyo mag-site visit, gusto nyo ng Zoom presentation, please let me know. Ilalagay ko yung contact number ko dito sa baba. And then, sa caption also yung Facebook page ko. Para at least you can contact me via Messenger, via WhatsApp, Viber, anything you want. Kahit SMS pa yan, di ba? So, that's all for today and thank you and have a nice day mga Kavista.